I'm sure that there are a lot of good things that can be said about the school, but there are 3 things about Lamlight's homeschool that I particularly like and appreciate. First, I can customize the lessons to suit my son's learning style and unique personality. Under the guidance of our homeschool advisor, I get to choose the books and materials that I know would pique Kalel's interest. Second, Kalel is included in school activities. Even if we do the studying at home, Lamblight prepares activities Kalel can participate in and which he enjoyed taking part of. Lastly, I wouldn't have survived the first year of homeschool without the unwavering support and reassuring presence of our homeschool advisor and teachers all throughout our homeschool journey. Homeschool is not easy. It takes getting used to, and there are a lot of moments of self-doubt. But if you have a partner who understands you and cares about your son, your child, the same way you do, everything becomes manageable. And you look forward to the next year thinking about ways how to make the next experience even better. So thank you, Lamblight, for affirming my belief that homeschool is what's best for my son. God bless you.